What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we got a good one with 75% savings. We're gonna be talking about this month's GloveBox monthly detail subscription box. Now they are gonna be the first item on my 12 days of Christmas giveaway. I did it last year. Everyone seemed to really like it. I appreciate all of you, so I like giving back. I've reached out to a couple of companies. They're donating some stuff to give away. I'm gonna give some stuff away from my personal detail supply site as well. But again, GloveBox is gonna be the first one. What they're gonna do is that we're gonna be able to select 5 winners that's gonna get a free box from their past boxes. So really cool way to kind of get introduced into GloveBox. But today we're gonna be jumping into their December box. You can order this up until about the 20th as long as they don't sell out before then. And still be able to get this box. This one's phenomenal. It's valued at just over $100. I already popped it open. I've been kind of taking a little peek at what was inside, and it's really cool. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Starting off with item number 1, which we'll see what's on top. Here you go. Wizards Nano Wax. So it's our Mystic Nano Wax Slick Wax. If you can see there, hopefully this is focusing well enough for you. This thing retails, this is the 8-ounce bottle, retails for right around 16 bucks. Let's see, it says, gives your paint an ultra finish with extreme gloss, slickness, and protection benefits of synthetic nano wax polymers. Safe for use on all paint, clear types, new or aged, uses a standalone wax, show glaze, or finishing wax step. Now, since it says show glaze, I'm assuming there might be, I don't know, I haven't used this personally, but I'm assuming there might be some, I just saw a mouse in my garage. It just ran over there. Well, I guess I got to deal with that. But back to the video. I'm assuming there may be some filling capabilities. Usually a glaze will help just the paint pop, especially if you're going to a car show, you hit a glaze on there, it makes it look amazing. So really cool, that sounds good. I will say it's a very liquid item. It doesn't have a lot of consistency to it. If you can see here, it's very thin. So it should be easy enough to apply either by hand or by a polisher. Smells good. Let me wipe this up and then we'll move on to the next item. Okay, back to it guys. We have the next item I'm gonna pull out. This one's awesome. Retails for about 50 bucks alone for this one item. So you're already getting a phenomenal value. And this is the glass coating from Armor Detail Supply. I have not used any products from Armor and I've heard such great things. All about the brand. All their products I've heard are fantastic. Again, I haven't used a single one of them, so I'm very excited to test this out. They state up to 12 months of durability on the windshield and then up to 2 years on the side windows and rear window. Makes sense, right? And they actually state on their website real world durability because, you know, especially in the winter season, you're gonna have your windshield wipers going. That's gonna break it down. That constant friction is going to break it down faster than on the sides where it doesn't have that. So I appreciate that they took that into account. What you get in this box, you actually get in, I believe this is an auto fiber saver applicator. It looks like it. It does have the binding in the middle. So perfect applicator. That's what I use for all my ceramic coatings. This is what I would go with. So it's nice that they include that. And then they also include a 30 milliliter bottle of the product, which is a ton. You're gonna be able to do multiple vehicles with this. Typically 30 milliliters of a ceramic coating, I can do a full car. Obviously the windows are a much smaller portion, so you're gonna be able to get a lot of use out of this. So I really like that. It's a quartz coating, repellent. Let's see if it says anything else in here. Used within 30 days of opening, so if you do treat your car, it's a ceramic coating, it will start to crystallize or harden up or whatever, start to cure inside the bottle. So make sure if you are planning on doing multiple vehicles, plan ahead so you can get them all done around the same time so you don't waste the product. So that's that. Then there's a little information packet or a little pamphlet in there as well. All right, moving on, we have this here. This is really cool. So GloveBox made a custom one, but this is with a brand called Aero Tags. And because I saw this, I had never heard about them before, because I saw this in the box, that's why I love GloveBox. I went onto their site and kind of found out all about them. Really cool company. All the fragrances, the wood, and all the manufacturing is done, I believe, all in Ohio. I think 3 different locations in Ohio, but all in Ohio, so completely US made. Really cool concept. Basically, they have this wood block. You're able to add your fragrance to it. Now this one's already done. So this is a little sample kit. They stamped it GloveBox, cut out the whole logo there. and the fragrance is in here. This is the Cool Breeze fragrance. I think they have like, there was quite a few, maybe 6 or 8 different fragrances that you could choose from. This one is Cool Breeze. Now, when I think of Cool Breeze, I think of the little, traditional style air fresheners, and Cool Breeze isn't always my favorite, but this Cool Breeze, I will say, has much more of a, I don't want to say masculine, but more of a musky scent, and it's really, really good. You can just kind of smell it through the packaging, and it smells fantastic. So I'm really excited to check these out. They have a bunch of cool designs, very patriotic in their designs on the wood pieces. They have a bunch of American inspired stuff, which is cool. Obviously I'm from America. Not everyone that watches the channel is, but you can do custom designs, all that kind of stuff. They also have just kind of adventure themed cutouts as well. So really cool. And then, like I said, they say that one of these, so this one retails for about 14 bucks where it's just the tag. But if you get the kit, it comes with a tag, and then it also comes with a 30 milliliter bottle of fragrance that you can add in and keep the fragrance going over time. They say on their website that one of those kits equals about 48, I believe, of the traditional kind of normal air freshener little hangers that you would traditionally see. So phenomenal value. The whole kit's about 25 bucks I was seeing on their site. And again, with all the fragrances you can choose from. I think it's a really, really cool idea and a much more natural way of doing it versus all the chemicals that are in those traditional ones. So Aero Tags, good job. GloveBox, great job. Thank you for introducing this to me. I'm very excited to check this thing out. Now, with that said, guys, I want to take just a quick second to make a note that I have no affiliation with GloveBox other than I've become friends with them over time. I don't get paid on any of this stuff, but I think it's a absolutely cool service. The guys that run the company are top-notch, really, really good people. So I like to share really cool things with you guys, and I think GloveBox is really, really cool. So moving on. Oh, here we go. So GloveBox also has their own line of chemicals called GloveBox RX, and it's a very, very unique style of presentation and functionality of the bottles and all that kind of stuff. Typically, right, and we know, if you order a product, a lot of that product is water, correct? That's just how it works. The active ingredient inside of it is much less. And so what GloveBox did to cut down on waste, they came out with these little pods, and these are phenomenal. Now, this one's really, really exciting. I'm excited because they have never come out with this before. In the past, they had 4 products. That's their initial kit. This is a new one. I was just checking. It's not even on their website yet. I'm sure it will be here shortly, but it is a tire and wheel cleaner. So really, really cool. What you do here is if you look through the middle of it, there's a little tube. And what you do is you use this custom bottle, you drop it in there. Well, I guess first things first, you fill up water to this line here. You drop this in here. You pull this through, right? And as you tighten this down, it pushes the bottle or the little canister open and dumps the liquid in there, giving you a perfect dilution ratio. It's phenomenal. It's really, really cool. I like their products. The stuff that I've used in the past I really like from their own custom formulations. And I'm very excited for a wheel and tire cleaner. Now from there, we've got a microfiber towel from Autofiber. This is their coating towel, guys. It is labeled, I think they call it, it's definitely their coating towel, but I can't remember if they call it a quadrant or something. But basically, it's all, so you can always tell which side you have used already. So you're not going in, wiping, and then forgetting which side you use, and then transferring chemical or coating onto other areas, leaving high spots and all that kind of stuff. So these are phenomenal. When I first saw these, I was like, yeah, but isn't that gonna scratch the vehicle? There's no way you can't feel that. And you cannot feel the print. It's phenomenal. Whatever they do is amazing. I know the guys over at Autofiber very, very well, and I actually sell quite a few of their products on my personal site, and these things are incredible. I really, really like them. I use them for my coatings. They have this towel also where it's not stamped, but it's really cool, especially if you're just getting into coatings. This makes it so much easier. So nice towel option there. Moving forward, just a couple more little items here. We do also have a little applicator pad. I'm assuming that was for the Mystic Nano Wax from Wizards. Moving on, we have a little keychain from Kokemi, which is cool. So that's just a nice little bonus item to have. We have, let's see here. Last thing, guys, we have an energy drink. So again, I really appreciate that they include so many different options of different types of products. Viper Energy, this is, Viper chairs, and I've seen that they've come out with this. I haven't tested this yet. I've seen it all over Instagram and everything. People trying it out and saying they like it. I don't know what the difference is between some of the other ones, but I do appreciate that, within the industry. I always try and support within the industry. So really cool there. Let's go ahead. It's not cold, but let's go ahead and pop this open. I'm gonna be careful because it was shipped. I didn't want it to bang around. Yeah. Yeah, it's great. It's great. It doesn't have like that super artificial taste. The scent, I'm getting a scent of something else. But no, it tastes really good. So that's it for this month's box, guys. Now, before we touch into how to win a free box from them, let's go ahead and touch on, again, this month's box valued at over $100. Typically, the monthly subscription is $34.99, something like that, $35 essentially. But if you use code JOSH30, again, it's not an affiliate link. I don't make any money from this. It's just something that I like to make videos with them because it, again, brings value to you guys. I think it helps everyone out. So JOSH30 gives you 30% off your first box. So it comes out to like $25. So $25 for this pack that costs over $100 if you were to source it out on your own. So phenomenal value. Now let's go ahead and move into the first day of the 12 days of Christmas. I'm actually gonna start the giveaways on December 10th and then run until the 22nd, I guess, will be the final giveaway. All you have to do, guys, we're gonna keep it very simple. Go follow me on Instagram. Comment on this video and then take that comment and comment on Instagram as well. I will post a picture of this box. Go comment on that one. And guys, big disclaimer here. Please pay attention to this. Every time I do a giveaway, this happens every single time. Scammers get involved in the comments below. They'll have my picture, like my normal YouTube picture, but it'll say like, text me at Telegram or something like that, and it'll say, hey, you won, or hey, let us know, write us, and you won something, I have something for you. Those are fake. I will only announce the winner on camera, and then I will reach out to you directly through that. But please don't fall for it. Usually what they do is they say you won, but send us X amount of dollars for shipping. No shipping is going to be asked for by me. This will be sent out to you completely free, including the shipping, so you don't have to worry about that. So don't fall for the scams. Now let's get back to it. Now, if you don't have an Instagram and you don't want to have one, I'm not gonna, it doesn't mean that you can't win, all right? I will take a collection, all the comments from YouTube, all the comments from Instagram, combine them together, do a random number selector, and choose a winner that way. So even if you're not on Instagram, you still have a chance to win. I get it. I appreciate that you don't want to be on Instagram. I know the world's crazy with the social media, so I totally fair. Again, we're gonna be giving away 5 boxes, so thank you very much to GloveBox for that. But make sure you go ahead and head over to GloveBox's website. I'll have it linked in the description for you guys below. Also check out their GloveBox RX program. And again, all the products, awesome, but I'm really excited about this one. So go check out the Aero Tags stuff as well. I'll put that a link in the description. Check out all the different designs, see how it goes. Yeah, that's it. So I hope that video helps you guys. Again, 12 days of Christmas is in effect. The announcement for this video, the giveaway I will announce on the 10th. So what is that? It's I think Sunday, I believe. So anyways, keep an eye open for that, and I will see you guys on the next video. So please make sure to like the video, make sure you're subscribed, and again, see you on the next video.